Seats, Bark Seats.
Hello everyone, my name is Shawn Wilkie. I'm here today to play the Sound of Remembrance guitar. Playing for Woody at Woody's home, and also in remembrance of his son Braun. The song I'm going to play is a song I wrote. It's called If I Should Fall. I've been dreaming about some of the places I've gone, and they're all in my head and won't leave me alone. Well, I can smell the dust, the rain and the pain. Sometimes I wake up just like I'm there again. Cars lined up along the highway of heroes, and the flags are slowly blowing in the breeze. They're coming home for that last long, long ride. They did us proud, but some they paid the price. I tried my best to get out of this wasted time. I'm getting myself back to where things used to be. They all tell me to breathe easy, it's gonna be fine. When I close my eyes to sleep, that's all I see. Around me, feel like I'm standing still. The world is spinning so hard these days it ain't real. Leaving it all behind, it ain't so easy. The voices in my head, the haunting melodies, but I ain't looking to be part of your stories. In many ways I got nothing to say at all. Well, I'm just working on putting parts back together. I'm keeping my head held high in case I may fall. Try my best to get out of this wasted time, getting myself back to where things used to be. They all tell me to breathe easy, it's gone.